show you. This one has all my glassware, coffee cups, and this one has plates, bowls, and all my Tupperware up top. And this one just has some baking sheets in it because I can't really reach it. Here we have my lovely sink, and we have the drying rack, which I'm in love with because I'm so sick and tired of drying dishes after I wash them. My stove top, which I really like this light because there's not too much light here directly in the kitchen, so this provides really good light for cooking. We have my tea box. We have this lovely cutting board, which I really love because it just sits on the side of the countertop. Coffee, cereal. Refrigerator, which is lacking. I need to go to the grocery store. We have my oven, we have here my utensils, shopping lists, things I need to bake and cook. And below we have pots, pans, I think a cake dish, just things I use for cooking. And lastly, in here we just have a bunch of cleaning items, tools, products. I like this little carpet. I got it for, I think, for €2 at IKEA. Today is Wednesday, October 21st. My pantry, because I can't reach a lot of the higher up cabinets, I use this as my pantry. And you have this lovely seating area here. Normally I have a plant in the middle, but today I don't. And this is the view out the window of my neighbors and this small courtyard. Over here we have my sofa area, table, and the TV. TV is great to watch movies on, etc. There is some decorations here to the side, and of course this lovely table. But this is basically all of downstairs. Alright, so now we're gonna go upstairs. Over here we have just storage for like socks, underwear, and things. We have my skirts, scarves, hats, sweatshirts, backpack, t-shirts, jeans, and pants and leggings in the wash. This is all my winter clothes, and back here is where I keep my suitcases. The room comes with this window, and I'm short enough where I can stand up in it. I'm gonna go ahead and walk to the bathroom. So, pretty simple. We have my sink, which is a perfect level for me, storage underneath. And then I just keep my medicine and my face wash and face care over here. Toilet, this toilet seat cover is the best part. So cute. We have my shower, which obviously is, you can tell it's made perfectly for me because if you know me, I'm quite petite, so it's the perfect height. We have my laundry bin, dishwasher. We have the washer, no dryer, so I keep my drying rack for my clothes here. And we have these lovely storage bins and just storage. Sorry for the abrupt ending to my video, y'all. I am now back in Maryland, obviously not in my apartment in France because France is in lockdown. I'll be back in January. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.